You're watching Maddie's Magical World.
Hi guys, welcome to Maddie Magic World. Today I have a new toy.
A brand new toy. We have a Mini Brands Gold Rush. I'm gonna let Maddie do her job, and we're gonna put the music on right
Now. What? Hey!
Which one is that?
So good to me.
So goldy. What? Is that a bottle of
Shampoo.
running away? Whoa, you did it without the scissors this time.
We got this one.
What?
Yep, we have one more. Wow! I got this one. Not this one, not this one. This one in the middle.
Nice, nice.
Nice.
So guys, this is what Maddie got in this Mini Brands Gold Rush. This is, whoa. We have, what is this? Oh, we have original, I'm not sure what it says, something milk. And we have a bottle of shampoo, which is gold as well. What's this bottle? Legendary, I can't see, It says Legendary Barbecue Sauce. And the red and gold one is black pepper. And then we have a flax seeds little gold box here as well. We have this one. This is Maddie's favorite one. The shampoo bottle. This one is...
This is my favorite one. Make sure to collect them. Bye!